Hey guys, so welcome back to Data with Dominic. Today we're going to be looking at how to rename a column or multiple columns in a data frame using PySpark. So let's just dive right into the demo. The environment I'm using is the Databricks Community Edition, which is a free way to use and practice PySpark. I'll link to a video of mine in the top right corner, which teaches you how to set it up. So yeah, let's continue with the demo. What I've done so far is I've basically read a CSV file that I had into a data frame, and I'm displaying the data frame for you guys to get an idea of the data. So it's just got an ID, a first name, a last name, email, gender, and an IP address column. So very simply, suppose we want to rename the IP address column to network address. What we can do is we can use a function called with column renamed. It's very easy, and I'll show you how to do it. So we can do data frame is equal to data frame, so that the current data frame variable gets updated with the new column name. And then after we do df, we can do dot with column renamed. And then within these columns, we can just specify two parameters. One is the old name and one is the new name that you want. So in this case, the old name is, double quotes, the old name is address, and the new name we can assign is network address. That's run. So let's see if that's worked. You can display the data frame, and as you can see, that column has been renamed. So suppose you wanted to rename multiple columns with just one command. What you can do is begin as usual with column renamed, and suppose we wanted to remove the underscore in first name. So we make first underscore name and we as the existing name, and we put the new name as first name without the underscore. But we want to do that with last name as well within the same command. So we can just do another dot and add with column renamed, and then we can specify last underscore name, comma, last name without the underscore. And when we run this, it's executed. So now let's see what the data frame looks like. Yes, as you can see, we've removed the underscore, and that's how you rename columns or multiple columns in data frame in PySpark. So we're using the with column renamed functions. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.